First check of the year so far. We got a double here. Picked it up at an intersection. We had one last year that came through here. We picked up one here. They did a bunch of logging over in this area here, so it kind of pinched them out in here. When we came in here, we had some wolf scat here and a kickback and another kickback over there from a wolf. So we set it up. Hopefully we're going to get a wolf on film. We ended up with a double on coyotes, which is, I'll take that any day. What I did here is I set this up with a flat set up here, and I set up another flat set up on top, so hopefully we'd catch one coming up on top. Anytime you get an opportunity to set up a vantage point where they can sit and look down on the area, seems to create a natural stall out spot. They'll come out, survey the whole area, see if it's safe, then they'll come down. But they always will pause up on top of a hill when they come down into a valley like this. They always want to see what's going on. But we picked up a nice double here. It's a great start to the season. It's early in the morning here. This is our second spot we checked, and we got about a few more sets out. We're going to keep them running this today. We'll see how it goes.